Good morning. The Bank of Canada left rates unchanged this morning, much as expected. I mean, we had a couple positive economic data points to close out the year here. Unemployment dropped by 0.2% to 6.9%. We gained more jobs in November than expected. I think it was the third consecutive month of job gains in Canada. On the GDP front, Q3 GDP came in at an annualized pace of 2.6%. That was a lot higher than the 0.5% that was expected. And Q2, the economy contracted by 1.8%. So to go from that to a jump of 2.6% seems like a very positive move. Canada's economy is doing great. But that number really had a lot more to do with the math and how GDP is determined than actual economic strength. Exports edged up slightly, but imports dropped sharply by almost 9%. That creates a much more positive number and gives this illusion of strength more so than actual economic strength. Like household spending, for instance, dropped by the largest quarter-on-quarter decline outside of the pandemic in nearly 20 years. So what this can actually do is set up, make a more of a headwind for Q4 GDP to come in as a positive number. It kind of creates a more challenging environment for that number to come in strong. But in terms of what to expect for 2026, I mean, there's still a lot of uncertainty. And depending on, what sort of trade knuckleballs the U.S. is throwing at us, I mean, we could see, the Bank of Canada lower rates further if we continue to see more layoffs. But for now, I mean, the Bank of Canada feels that interest rates are at the appropriate level to maintain their 2% target. That said, if you or any of your family members have mortgages that are coming up for renewal in 2026, there's a lot of mortgages coming due. A lot of these mortgages that were sub 2%, that they're going to see a big payment jump. With rates, hovering around high threes, low fours. Please put them in touch with us today. I mean, fixed rates are expected to get a little bit higher into next year, so never hurts to kind of get on things early, get a game plan going just to make sure that you're not missing out on any opportunities. But that's it for me. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, eat lots of turkey, and we will talk to you in the New Year's. Merry Christmas.